Southeast Asia's largest indoor nature-themed multimedia experiences. Exploria Singapore. This is Mandai's newest immersive world where nature and imagination collide. Travel across desert, polar landscapes, and mountain peaks, all in one breathtaking journey here in Extreme Frontiers. Infinite Wonderland unfolds with rainforests and coral reefs in vibrant colors, reminding us of our planet's beauty and fragility. This section was crafted so brilliantly that it truly felt like being inside a storm. Micro Worlds unveils nature's secrets in dazzling detail, from the tiniest ecosystems to hidden microscopic wonders. Enter the world of darkness, where glowing creatures of the deep sea light up the shadows. Step into the realm of the giants, where towering prehistoric creatures come alive around you.